Hey Kimberly, thank you for speaking with me earlier today. This is Devin. And thank you for taking the time to watch this screencast. So, really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website you can do super easy to beat Boutique Tree Company. As you see, they're ranked here on the top of Google when you type in Atlanta Tree Service, which gets 720 clicks a month. You see right here, they're ranked in the Google My Business section as well as down here in the organic listings section. And you guys can be there super easily. So I know you're probably sitting there wondering, why am I sending you this video? And well, it's super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't have time to really learn how the internet can help bring them more leads and more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is and who is not an expert. So I found out that if I make these free attack plans and just give them away for free, some owners go out there and do this stuff on their own, and then some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you guys decide to come do with this information is totally fine with me. My whole purpose here is to educate you and just give you some good information. So I want to talk to you about three things today is content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So Google typically likes to see 2,000 words of content on this front page because in their minds, it's going to have people are more likely to stay on your website and stay on Google with the more content you have. So you want to try to fill this up as much as you can. As you see, you guys don't really have too much content right here. And as we hop over to your competitor's website, Boutique Trees, they're pretty much same. I think you guys probably have more content than these guys, but I'll explain to you why they're beating you in a second. So my first tip is just getting at least 2,000 words of content on this front page, but also putting keywords within this content. So as you see here, a keyword is Atlanta Tree Service. Gets 720 clicks a month. So just filling up with these local keywords, it's hundreds of them out there. So whatever keywords you guys feel like ranking for, just making sure that's listed on your website. So when people are typing these into Google, Google will revert back to your page. So my second tip I'm going to go over is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant companies. So they'll give you a lot more power for using another tree company or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut sending a link back to your website. Because Google understands that you guys do not make pizzas. So I use a site called Ahrefs to check this out, and there's a bunch of easy backlink sites you guys can go find that are for free. So we see here you guys have eight websites that's only linking 9 backlinks back to your website. If we come over to your competitors over here, we see they have 142 different websites sending out 556 links to their website. When you see the traffic difference of organic traffics, and it's really easy to get these backlinks. The majority of them are free, and all you have to do is literally just come in here and copy these. You can come and see what links they have, click these websites, sign up, and literally just write a little blog comment, put your website link in there, and you're good to go. So you want to just come out here, copy all these websites, and link them back to yours. So those two things, content and backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic section. And the next thing I want to go over, and the last thing I want to go over, is citations. So the way you get in this Google My Business section is all about citations. And a citation is basically your name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is just anywhere you can list your business information. So if you want to be number one in this area right here, you want to have more citations than these guys. So I use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see here, Boutique Tree has 71 citations. So similar to backlinks, you can come in here, see what citations they have, and you're literally just going to go copy these. So these are all free as well. So you just click on all these websites, put in your business name, address, and phone number, and go link them to your site. Because if they was good enough to rank for them, they'll be good enough to rank for you. And if they have 71 citations, I would suggest going out and getting 200. So again, that pretty much wraps it up. My name is Devin. The three things I went over today again is content, getting 2,000 words of content along with keywords on your page, backlinks, and citations. So I try to keep this short and sweet. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Devin, and my cell phone number is 775 402 2885, and I'll be looking forward from hearing from you. Thank you.